If your Tecno Spark phone, Tecno Camon, or the Pova smartphone currently has black and white colors only, everything is in these colors, no colors at all, there are two settings that you want to go ahead and check to make sure that it is turned off, and that's the reason why your black and white colors are currently showing like this here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is check in the status bar area. If you see this little moon icon up here, then your bedtime mode is currently turned on. And you're going to go ahead into the settings of your phone. So go to settings here. Then while you're here, just type in the words bedtime mode. That's going to help you find it faster. And as you type in bed, you're going to see bedtime mode right there. It's part of the digital well-being feature here, and you can just go straight into it if it's your first time using it or you accidentally turned it on. Okay, so you can turn it off here, but before you do that, you want to go down to where it says customize right here, and that is going to be very useful to the screen section here. When you go there, you'll notice that there is the grayscale option. So if you still want to use bedtime mode, but you don't want the black and white colors, you just want to turn this off here, and that's going to allow for your colors to come back here. Okay, and of course when you're done with it, you can either choose to leave it on or turn it off for now. All right, so just turn off your bedtime mode and you should have back your colors. Okay, so that's one way of checking to see if your phone bedtime mode is turned on, to turn off the grayscale colors. Now, the second reason why your phone may be in black and white colors is color correction may be enabled and it's set to the black and white colors only. So the fastest way to find this feature here, and I'll turn all these off to show you how to get there, is one, you will use the quick access like this here, go into settings and type in the words color correction in the quick settings. So just go ahead and type that in, color correction. You'll look for this option here. All right, I don't know if you can see that, color correction. And when you're here now, you'll see it's gonna flash for you and you wanna go into it. So you wanna make sure that you just simply turn it off here. And of course you can see it's a grayscale setup here. So once you turn that off here, you will get back your original colors. And now, of course, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.